Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the best way to do repeat sentences in PTE. So, let's begin. Repeat sentences are the most important part in PTE. It contributes to listening section as well as speaking section. The best way to do repeat sentences is, listen the sentence carefully and try to understand the main idea of the sentence. Don't try to memorize the whole sentence as it is very difficult to do so. You can start practicing by remembering just 3 to 4 words from starting of the sentence. That is, when you listen the sentence, just put your focus on first 3 to 4 words in the sentence, and speak them in the proper sequence. Once you are good at speaking first 3 to 4 words, then add up last 3 to 4 words from the sentence. That is, try to put your focus on first 3 to 4 words from beginning of the sentence and 3 to 4 words from ending of the sentence, and combine them. As practicing with this strategy, it will probably give you great content score. Thanks for watching.